Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Nguma, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all a stock that will explode tomorrow and why you should keep it on your watch list. And I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions for those of y'all who dropped your stocks of interest in the comment section of Tuesday night's video right after the intro. Alright, y'all, before we begin again, do not forget to annihilate the like button on your way in, alright? So let's get started. Right off the bat, today was a pretty good day for all of the bulls out there. So if you were holding calls on certain stocks, congratulations. I told y'all, I have been telling y'all that I've been very, very bullish on the market and that the price target that I had for the SPY was anywhere over here at like 42.30, all right, which is a very easy target. We're right next to it, and I honestly think that we can go a little bit higher tomorrow. I think that we can break through these previous highs over here and climb up towards like 42.45, maybe even 42.50 going into the holiday weekend. All right, so definitely keep the overall market on your watches for some more money to be flooded into this thing. All right, so yeah, now the stock that all of you should be keeping in your watches for tomorrow, that stock is RCL. All right, and the reason why I want to share RCL with all of you is because number one, it is a cruise lines. It's a cruise lines is very bullish. It had a phenomenal week. Number two, if you check out the daily time frame, you can see that there is a very clean flag right on the chart that broke out yesterday and it's continuing with a lot of strength today, and I don't think it's done yet. It's very far from over. I think that we can see this thing push higher. I think it's gonna do it tomorrow. All right, I really think so. I think it's gonna push higher towards the $100 mark, maybe even a little bit over that, maybe like 102, 103 tomorrow. So definitely keep that one in your watches. For all of you YOLO traders out there could be an opportunity for you on those YOLO calls. So definitely keep that one in your watches. We have been very, very bullish, especially in the Discord with the travel stocks. Again, I shared BA with all of you. I think it was like over the weekend. We've been watching that one since like the 20th of May. All right, we've been stalking that one and it's been doing phenomenal for us as well. So definitely keep RCL on your watch list. Now let's talk about you guys' stocks of interest. Again, Cecile always asks some wonderful questions. The first one that we're going to tackle, that stock is DraftKings. And DraftKings currently is currently recovering quite well. All right, I like the stock. I like the way it is pushing over here. Now, is this thing done yet? I don't think that we're gonna see this move right here. I do not think so. I don't think we're gonna go down. I think that we're going to go a little bit higher towards the $42.50 mark, maybe even like 53. I mean 52.50, and maybe even $53 before we consolidate some more, and then eventually run higher or go more sideways for like an entire month, and then go towards the new highs. All right, I'm not bearish on the stock at all. I think it's just going to go here. I think this is where long-term investors shine. They buy these dips, they buy more dips, and now they're doing it again right over here. So keep that one on your watch list for a potential recovery to the upside. Now the next one that somebody asked about, somebody have been asking about REGN. In REGN, I'm not trading the stock at all. And the reason why I'm not trading it is because the money is not flowing that way. We all know where the money is flowing. It's not flowing in this stock. This like it's really it's not moving much. The only people who are winning here are bears, and then the contracts are probably not that great. And there is really like not enough opportunity on here. So I'm not touching it. If you are trading it, hopefully you are doing it cautiously because I do see a bear flag on here, right? And if that bear flag actually plays out well, we could see this thing tumble all the way back down. Let me just do that right. Let me just do this. If that bear flag plays out just right, we can see that thing tumble to 450, maybe even like 440 within the next few days. So hopefully we see this thing going bounce over here and then climb back here and then just stay in here. All right, and then eventually just doing something else. But as of right now, this is a very dangerous spot to be going long. So just manage your risk accordingly. Manage your risk accordingly. And honestly, I would just tell you to focus on something else, because again, there's so much opportunities out there, other stocks that like pay more. So just beware of that. The next one that we're going to be talking about in this video, that stock is TTCF. All right, and TTCF has been doing phenomenal. I shared this one with all of you in a previous video. I think it was like somewhere between at $17 or $18 to watch this thing for a long. I drew the floor for you guys, and I've been telling y'all that long-term investors love these dips. They love it. This is where they shine. This is where they step in and they become the support, right? They push it over here, they push it higher, and so far it's been doing quite good. So at this point, if you've been going long on this one, like as a swing trade, you may want to pay yourself very, very soon, because I don't think it's going to do that much damage. I think it's probably going to consolidate some more, and then eventually it's going to run, especially for those of y'all who are holding options. You don't want to be crushed by the theta. So just keep that in mind moving forward, right? But it is like almost in the middle of that circle, which is $25. So I think it has some potential. But as always, pay yourself as things go up, all right? Now, another stock that somebody had been asking about, that stock is NVDA, NVDA. And NVIDIA had been like, it's been a phenomenal stock for us, especially like we've been trading it since like the 580s and the 600s, and I got out of it for this little reason. It's a very simple reason, honestly. It's right here. All right, as soon as this thing fell, I was out of there. I was gone, and I alerted everybody to get out because the stock wasn't gonna do much. So eventually, as you can see, the stock didn't do anything. Gambling through earnings, you don't want to be doing that, whether you were long or short. If you don't know what I mean, like going through earnings is the easiest way to lose all of your money. Nobody won here, not the longs, not the shorts. If you go over to the trade tab, you can clearly see that on both sides of the chain, everybody got annihilated. Negative 80% on the contracts that are at the money, negative 45, negative 50%, negative 66% for all of these contracts. Nobody won. Again, this is another important lesson, especially for all of you who may be beginners, who think about going through these, like to hold positions through earnings. Not a good idea. This is how you get crushed. So try to stay away from earnings report, even though it's very, very tempting on certain stocks. Now, where is NVIDIA gonna go? I don't know. I don't have any positions in this at all. And until it gives me a reason to actually trade it, I'm not touching it. And it actually looks kind of bearish. So we will see. Could it collapse a little bit? Maybe. All right. Again, I have no idea, and I'm not gonna guess and tell you that it's gonna go in a specific direction, because I really do not know, and I'm just watching it on the sidelines. Now, the last stock that we're going to be talking about today is none other than AMC. We got to talk about AMC. Of course, we have to talk about AMC. Now, in the previous videos that were titled, "This stock is about to go parabolic," the first one was Ford. And Ford hit $15. So hopefully some of y'all paid yourself. All right. Could it go higher? Probably. All right. But it's very important to pay yourself. So congrats to anybody who are able to take that trade on Ford to $15 today. AMC went right through that circle that I drew in that video, and it went a little higher towards the $29.76 region. So congratulations to all of you on that one. Some of our members did pretty well in the Discord, which I will show you guys as well. Where could this thing go? Let me just do this first. All right, so here is how some of our members did in the Discord. So this started today. These people were just holding. So right out the gates, first and foremost, this person right here was up $200. Again, he had some calls on airlines, and again, as I told y'all, we were very, very bullish on BA, and I was expecting magical unicorn news to hit BA, and as soon as it did, I started selling in the morning. As you can see, people were started selling as well. This person made $343 on a BA YOLO call. Another person made more money on BA on the very first trade, and as you can see over here, this is another BA call. BA was paying today. BA did phenomenal. So again, more people made more money over here. This is from Mara. Oh yeah, I told y'all that I had YOLO calls on Mara, that I was waiting like an extra day to sell Mara. It did take that extra day, and BTC got to 41,000 and something before I got paid. So everybody also got paid. I let everybody know to exit as soon as it opened and as soon as it failed to reach. Let me see. Let me show you guys Mara. All right. As soon as this thing failed to reach, like that thing, $27, and it crumbled, I was out of there. And then everybody started taking their money off the table. So congratulations to you. Another person made more money on BA. So that's BA was essentially the first stock that we were like taking our money out of. It exploded everybody's account and increased it by like 50% plus even. Another person made 3,900 on BA calls. Again, as I told you, magical unicorn news. We were waiting for it. We were very prepared for it, and we made bank on it. Another person was up another grand. Let's go on here. Let's move on to the AMC trades. Now, this is some of the result from some of our members with AMC. This person made $1,526. Again, we can go on. The list is long and long. Like, so many people have been crushing it. Another person was up $9,600 just today. Another person, since they have joined, again, this is their monthly P&L. They're up by a lot. All right, they're up by a lot on here. And if you scroll down some more, somebody today had an amazing day, crushed it. He was up by like 35 grand, I think. Where is he at? It's a long list of gains, people. It's just a long list of gains. So somebody was up 7 grand. Let me show you a list of all of the plays that we were in over here. Again, these are all of the plays that we were in. And this person just crushed it, up 13 grand. Shout out to you for making so much money on that play. The next one, again, another AMC trade. This person was up $3,800. What else? Oh, one more person. He was up by $3,500 on AMC calls. Again, I've been sharing all of that with y'all as well, since it was like $13. So congrats to the viewers as well, who made money on AMC. I'm just giving a few shout outs to some of our members who did phenomenally well. One person, oh my god, this person did again more gains on this one. So overall, just a phenomenal trade. I could go on this forever, but this video is getting a little too long. Now let me just answer this one question for y'all. Where could AMC go? Where could AMC go? I think that it's going to go a little bit higher towards 32, maybe $35, like somewhere over here tomorrow, before we experience some turbulence. All right, and by turbulence, I mean there may be a scare, like a pretty wild scare. So just be on the lookout for that. It is overextended, and to all of you who are still holding calls on this one, remember to pay yourself some. All right, you don't have to sell everything if you don't want to, and I'm very aware of the calls, and I do support it. Squeeze the short sellers, squeeze the hedge funds. Yes, I am all for that. All right, but again, for all of you who may be beginners out there who are seeing this and your pupils are so wide and all you see is money and you want to go in recklessly with all the YOLO calls, be very, very careful. Okay, and make sure that when you're winning, you take off some money and you pay yourself as it's climbing up. All right, so that's my very honest opinion on AMC, and that is the end of the video. Again, do not forget to annihilate the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, it helps the channel a lot. and it allows more people to get this knowledge as well. Also, if you are new to the channel, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way you don't miss out on future uploads. If you're interested in being part of our private Discord and know exactly when I get in, the details of the contracts, and when I get out, along with all of the plays, and be a part of our pretty talented group of traders, definitely check out the very first link in the description of the video below. Also, if you're not following us on social media, you can find me at Paul Nguma and at PATTERNOLOGY LAB on Instagram and on Twitter. And lastly, if all of this is brand new to you, if you're interested in getting started in the stock market, I'll have some step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 to step 3. It only takes about 15 minutes or less for you to get set up with all the tools you need to start trading immediately. You can also get 2 free stocks right after you sign up with Webull using my third link in the description of the video below. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul Nguma with PATTERNOLOGY LAB, where we trade patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video, right? Enjoy the outro.